Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to you, and how are you today? I believe you're good. Inshallah, today we shall be taking the Arabic alphabet again. Yes, we have to, because you have to be able to recognize all these letters. Because if you don't recognize these letters, you cannot be able to recite the Quran. Everything else in the Quran consists of all these letters, and you must know them before you can be able to start joining them together in order to form words, then to form statements. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, this is Alif, Ba, Ta, Ta, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Shod, Dod, To, Zo, Ain, Ghain, Kaf, Kha, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Ha, Wa, Ya. Okay. Now, when you look at our lesson 2, here it is explaining to us how the alphabet appear in sentence, in words, and in statements. Now, the first one from the right, the first one from the right are the letters itself. Then the second one is at the beginning, how the letters appear in the beginning of every word. Then the third one is how the letters appear when they are in the middle of the word. And the last one is how they appear at the last. Now look at everything we have here. Here we have a better explanation. Look at it. Where I have my pink box down. You have rows from right to left. 1, they are the letters. When the letters is found in a row. 2, at the beginning of the word, the way they appear. 3, the way they appear when they are in the middle. And 4, the way they appear at the end of the word. Okay, so that's it. Now, in every word, I just want you to take a look at this. There's really nothing to explain, just for you to see it very well, and then you memorize it so that you know that whenever you are reciting the Quran, when you see any letter, anyhow it is written, you know that yes, this is the letter. Okay, so you can always go over this again and again. Now let's see. So this starts from Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Shin, Ha, and Kha. Then next we have Dal. Look at the way they appear. Okay, now that reminds me, there are some letters that the way they appear in the middle, when another letter is joining them from the right, they join together, but they don't allow any other letter to join them right from the left. That is, they don't pair with any other letter after them. They only pair with letters from behind. Okay, for instance, we have Dal. Look at the first one here. Dal. This is Dal. This is the same way it appears in the beginning. Then in the middle, it appears this way. It appears this way. So something is joining from behind, that's from the back, from the right. But at the end, there's nothing joining it. Look at this on my screen here. Look at things. Something is joining from the back and is also joining itself to something in the front. But look at Dal, Zal, Ra, and Zain, which is Za. They don't allow anything in their front. They don't pair with anything in the front. They only pair with something that's coming from behind. Okay? It's not just that. We also have, okay, here we have Dol, Tor, Ra, Ain, Zain, Kaf, Kha. We have Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Wow. Wow, yeah. Okay, now look at wow. Also, wow does not allow anything after it. It can only pair with any letter coming from the eye, so it does not allow anything after it. Okay, so mashallah. Um, I just want you to take a look at all these letters, the way they appear in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, so that you can have a picture of each and every one of them right in your head. So in case you're reciting the Quran and you see anything, it will never be difficult for you to identify. Okay, so that's what we are talking about here, mashallah. And inshallah, in the next class, we'll be talking about the the signs, the haraka, the fatia sound, the kestrel sound, the doma sound, inshallah. Or we can actually take them one after the other. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum